Most people start taking care of their heart, liver, brain after the age of 40. But there is one tiny organ which most people overlook, even though it deserves just as much attention. It is your thymus. Most people have never even heard of it. Yet, this tiny gland hidden behind your breastbone is a training academy of your immune system. It produces and trains T cells, the special white blood cell that help your body fight infection, recognize abnormal cells, and protect almost every system of your body, from your lung and gut to heart, even brain. A healthy thymus is essential for a strong immune system, even helps lower the risk of heart disease and cancer. But with age, thymus goes into involution or natural shrinking. That is why after 40, you need to learn to take care of your thymus. Let's see how you can do this. The first thing is reduce stress before it weakens your immune system. One of the biggest enemy of thymus is chronic stress. When you are constantly stressed, your body releases more cortisol. Over time, high cortisol levels is associated with faster shrinking of thymus. That is why every morning begin with Yogendra Pranayam number 1 or equal breathing for 5 minutes. Follow it with a few minutes of meditation or simply sit quietly with your breath. Never underestimate the healing power of the calm mind. A relaxed body creates a right environment for a healthy immune system. Second thing is be physically active. Even research shows that being physically active helps reduce chronic inflammation. One of the factors associated with immune aging, the thymus transforms body's white cell into T lymphocytes, the special cells that are our body's warriors against disease and infection. You don't need an intense workout. An effective asana routine is enough. You can start with Setu Bandhasana to improve circulation. The asana stretches the chest, neck and spine and also opens the lungs. Then gently move on to Ustrasana or camel pose to open the chest. This asana stretches the chest and stimulates the thymus gland. Then move on to Yogendra Matsyasana to stretch the front of the body. This asana lifts the sternum and expands the chest. This improves the prana flow through the heart and thymus area. And finally, move to Yogendra Viparit Karni to relax the nervous system. Finish with a short shavasana followed by practicing Ujjayi pranayama for a few minutes. The third thing is feed your thymus with nutrients it needs, which are zinc, selenium, and vitamins A, C, and D. One of the most important nutrients for thymus is zinc. You must include food like pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, lentils, and chickpeas in your daily diet to get your daily levels of zinc. Next comes selenium, a mineral that supports immune cells activity. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts provides an entire day's requirement. Sunflower seeds, brown rice and oats also offers good baseline amount of selenium. Even 1 cup of paneer gives you 20 mcg of selenium, while most adults need 55 mcg per day. The other nutrients your thymus needs are vitamins A, C, and D. Vitamin A supports immune regulation and is found in carrots, spinach, and sweet potato. You can make a sweet potato and spinach thepla and have it daily as your evening snacks. Vitamin C is abundant in amla and citrus fruits. Vitamin D comes from sensible sunlight exposure. Remember, the best way to strengthen your thymus is by building your meal around a real wholesome food. Your immune system is nourished, one plate at a time. The fourth thing, and very important for thymus care, is don't eat from morning till night. See, mild calorie restrictions or time restricted eating helps in reducing metabolic stress associated with aging. This doesn't mean starving yourself. It means avoiding constant snacking, eating balanced meal, and allowing your digestive system enough time to rest between dinner and breakfast. Because sometimes eating less often is just as important as eating the right food. And finally, avoid the habit that age immune system faster. The first item on this list is smoking. See, smoking damages the thymus and accelerates immune aging. Second, prioritize your sleep. Poor sleep prevents your immune system from repairing itself. Then excess body weight, which increases chronic inflammation. This directly affects your thymus, so be consistent with your asana practice. These have stimulating and protecting effect on your immune system. Your thymus may be one of the smallest organ of your body, but its role is extraordinary. Every day it helps train the cells that defend you against illness. After 40, while the thymus naturally becomes smaller, your lifestyle still has a powerful influence on how well your immune system functions. So, breathe deeply, move your body, manage stress, and sleep well. Because when you care for your thymus, you are investing in something priceless. Stronger immune system and healthy aging for years to come. Namaskar.